There is a new task in the Paws Airdrop, and I'm going to show you how you can complete this particular task and earn 10,000 Paws points right here. So before I go into that, guys, please, if you are new into my YouTube channel or if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. Now, without wasting your time, guys, let's quickly go into it so that we can complete this task. Now, if you just they are very simple tasks but also very tricky, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, for this one, they say join donut community. Now, before I go into that, let me just tell you something. If you look at Paws these days, you discover that they have been partnering with projects. Paws has partnered with FOMO Hash. They have partnered with Bombs. They have partnered with Boinkers. They are now partnering with Donut. And just for your information, this might be the Paws last task. It might be the very last one. But so make sure that you complete this task and earn your Paws point so that you can level up. Now let's quickly go into it. This project called Donut, many people have speculated that it is owned by the Bloom team, the Bloom project team. And you know, Bloom is one of the most powerful projects that we currently have on the Telegram right now. And for joining this particular project, I'm going to start farming. And now what I'm going to show you now will be more, the free version of it will be more beneficial to those who are completely new and have not started mining this particular donut. If you have started mining already, to complete this task you need to spend some ton. So let me just tell you that before I go into that. So guys, I've informed you everything. Now let's quickly go and check how we can solve the problem. Now this one says we should join them on X, so you just have to click on start. Once you click on start, go and follow them and then come back and you are going to see check. Just click on the check and it is going to enable claim, and then you can go ahead and claim it. And then this one says cook exclusive Paws donut, exclusive Paws donut. So let's come over here. Before you go to this, let me tell you something. If you have been participating in donuts, you will know that for you to cook you need to spend some ton. Now let me take you to their official Telegram channel. I always like to go there. I believe they have said something regarding this, so let's go and check it. Let's see what they had to say. Now if I take you to their official Telegram channel, this is their official Telegram channel, and you can see what they said there. They say do not reveal the secret, do not reveal the secret. And this is what sorry, let me go back. They say the circle of power is rising, dive into the chaos to uncover the truth. Free donut cook for every new Pause user. Find it in Pause. So guys, I just told you, that is why this is why I always come here, so that I can get tips. Look at what they said there. Free donut cooked for every new Pause user. Remember what I said. If you have been mining donut already, you are going to spend money right here. You are going to spend some ton. But if you have not started farming this project, because if you just go ahead and click on it now, you automatically register, you start farming it under the Pause team, and that is why they are giving you it for free users, for those who are joining this donut for the first time. So now click on start. So once you click that, it is going to open up like this. You just have to relax, wait and sit back, and then you can now see first free donut. Why is it showing like this? It is because I have not started farming it on this particular Telegram account. If you have started participating in donut, you are not going to see this free, you're going to see another thing. And that is why, if you don't pay, if you have already started participating in donut and you don't pay the ton to cook the donut, you will not be able to complete this particular task in the Pause right now. So now, for those who are completely new into this project, you just go ahead, click on free, first free donut, and you are going to see you have cooked donut. So that's that. You can see well done, you can say share on story, so it's your choice. I will just click on well done. So once I click on well done, so you are going to see cook donut. So you have the option to cook other ones. So you see now, if you have been participating in the project and you click on that link, this side is going to open up for you, and you see you have to cook it. You have to cook it right here. So meaning you are going to spend ton. Now if once you join this project, I will advise you to start participating in it. Now come over to this section, click on it. That's where you can connect your wallet. So make sure that you connect your wallet right here. So it's very easy. So once you connect your wallet, Once you have connected your wallet, you just have to go back, just go back to the Paws. This is the Paws airdrop, so click on check right now. So once you click on check, just wait. So all you have to do is click on it and claim your Paws points. So remember, for those who have already been participating in this project, you are not going, your process might be a bit different, so you might have to spend some time. If not, you will keep seeing pending, pending. So that is why if you see pending, just know that you need to cook using your turn. So that is that. And if you have not joined from on that account, believe me, you're going to see claim just like I have shown you in this particular video. So that's everything I wanted to share with you in this particular video, guys. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, or if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. So that will be all for now, guys. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.